What is up, guys? I'm back again today with another vlog. So this week I've been procrastinating quite a lot, and as you guys can see, the bike is still filthy from the weekend's riding. So the plan for today's video is that I'm going to give the bike a wash, kind of go through it, fix a couple of things. Before I cut you guys out, I'm going to do a quick little damage assessment. But I'm not going to be filming too much in today's video because I've got a lot of stuff to do. I need to re-edit some videos. So let's go ahead and go through the bike. I'll show you guys what is damaged and what we need to fix, and then we'll take it from there. So first off, well, I know for a fact the header is leaking. So I need to go ahead and just inspect the O-rings on that and maybe just reseal it. We have got a busted brake lever. Not really much we can do about that at the moment. And then if we move on to the other side, we broke off a chunk of the foot peg, and you would be surprised how big, or the big difference that it makes in the feel of the bike, how much less stability you have on the bike with the foot peg that's broken. Unfortunately, we won't be able to do anything about that at the moment. See if we can kind of do something with this gear lever, because I keep missing gears. And then the most important thing probably is, as you guys can see, the petcock is leaking. So I need to take out or take off the tank, drain it, and then reseal that. Alright, so while I get everything prepped, I'm going to turn you guys off, and we'll be back shortly. Alright, we're back again. So we have everything prepped. So I've got my just some soap water, 2 brushes, sponge, and just some degreaser there to get off some of the rough stuff. Alright, so now it's time to wash the bike. I'm not going to film this, but let's see if we can use some YouTube magic to make it go a bit quicker. Alright, so the bike's nice and clean, or well, at least clean enough to work on. And before I gave it a wash, I took off this bash guard, and man, this thing has definitely seen better days, but we'll patch it up and get some more use out of it. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna rip off the exhaust or the header pipe, pull off the seat, and then pull the tank so I can drain the tank, pull out the petcock, get everything cleaned up, and get everything sealed, and let it sit so the sealing can tack up a bit before we reinstall everything. So the next time I see you guys will probably be when everything's torn down and we've made some progress. Alright, so things have escalated quite a bit, and I started kind of tearing down the bike. So I got all the plastics off. Decided I'm going to give them a good clean. Got the air filter in there soaking. So I'm going to give the bike a service as well. Just clean the filter, change the oil. I recently changed the plug like 2 rides ago. And now, as you can see, let me see if I can find the pieces. Yeah, here's the piece. Yeah. So the O-ring gaskets for the exhaust have completely hardened and deteriorated. So I'm gonna have to order some of those new. And yeah, I'm gonna carry on cleaning the exhaust and jump onto the plastics, and then I'll clean the bike. As you can see, it's fairly filthy. And we've probably got some other leaks here that or that's just some build-up over the time. Probably some two-stroke oil leaking out from the exhaust and I have yet to drain the tank and just get everything cleaned up and seal up the petcock again. Probably just throw the gas in this bike and then swap it over again once I'm done. So that's the quick update for now, and I'll probably see you guys again in a little while, probably when I'm closer to being done. Alright, so back again with another update. I got everything cleaned, well, not like super clean, but to acceptable level. It is a dirt bike after all. I got the petcock sealed. It's just like finger tight at the moment until it tacks up a bit, then I'll tighten it down. Kind of made a janky gasket out of gasket maker there, and then we got all the plastics here. Exhaust is nice and cleaned up. Like I said, not super clean, just you know, clean enough for dirt bike and clean enough for my liking. And so that was it for the quick update. In the next clip, the bike will be reassembled. Alrighty, so we have got the bike back together. The only thing we haven't completed was the height guard, because I still need to repair that. And tomorrow I would like to bleed the rear brakes, maybe flush the front brakes as well, but we'll see. Anyway, it's pretty late and I still have to edit this video, and I've got a whole bunch of other videos to edit. This went on quite a bit longer than what I expected, so yeah, I think I'm going to end the video here. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button, and I'll get you guys some more content soon. Alright.